Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. So let's get to it. Alright, open the Davinci Resolve and make a new timeline. This one I made a name work here and drag two clips that you want to join. I will cut them just for the example like this, and I will scroll few seconds, example 5, and another clip, and this one will be like 5 seconds, and to join with the transition scroll 3 seconds and 30 frames. We will cut it here and advance 3 seconds because our transition is 180 frames. Take this up like this, and we will join these two clips inside new Fusion clip. Go inside the Fusion. Now go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Mine is here in the transitions, and then just drag and drop transition number 4. Connect here with this merge, and as you can see, everything is finished. Now I will wait few seconds to render, and now when I click here and press play, you can see everything is animated and finished. Now to go a little bit more in depth, ungroup and arrange all tools to the grid. Check this clip, and as you can see, it's very simple. When I press number 2 on the keyboard, you see the background and ellipse, and this ellipse is for this yellow circle. This one will be for the second circle for the flower, and this one will be for the polygon shape. When I click on the merge here, you can see all is animated, and I use the duplicate here to duplicate everything and made a flower. And that's it.